Today, I've got a quick product review for a cigar accessory. Stick around. Fellas, welcome back. It's Robert, your everyday gentleman. Now, one of the necessary accessories when you're smoking is an ashtray. And today, I'm going to be looking at a new compact ashtray from Cigar Therapy. Now, they didn't sponsor this video, they're not sponsoring this video, but full disclosure, they did provide to me the ashtray for me to review at no cost. But regardless of any of that, you can count on me for my fully honest, unbiased opinion. But before we get into it, if this is your first time to this channel, I want to welcome you. If you're into not only cigars, but also things like men's style, fragrances, grooming, fitness, whiskey, and other topics for the everyday man, then this might be the place for you. Consider subscribing and joining the growing EG family. And if you're already a member, I want to thank you for your continued support. And without further delay, let's look at this ashtray. So this is the portable cigar ashtray from Cigar Therapy. It's a single cigar design, which makes it relatively easy to travel with. Now, the majority of the body is made of aluminum construction, and the bottom of the ash bowl is actually a non-stick material, which means that the ash isn't going to stick on there as easily as it would on other ashtrays made of different materials such as ceramic. And being easy to clean is going to keep this ashtray looking just as good as when you first took it out of the box. Speaking of which, my first impression when I took this out of the box is that this is a very nice looking ashtray. From the matte black finish to that bottom of the ash bowl, non-slip bottom, even a little bit of velvet inside here. It doesn't look like a cheaply made product, but it's priced very, very well. And the cigar rest is made to fit pretty much any kind of cigar, any cigar length, any cigar diameter. So it'll hold whatever cigar you prefer to smoke, whether it's a Lancero, a Churchill, or a Robusto. Now, as far as portability, I mean, it is an ashtray, so there's only so much portability that you're gonna be able to have. But with that being said, it doesn't take up too much space on the table. It weighs right around half a pound, which means it's gonna be easy to take throughout the house, no matter where I decide to smoke. Now, I like a nice heavy ashtray, but those can be kind of a pain to move around the house if you wanna go from the backyard where I'm at right now to, sometimes I smoke in the front of the house. Now, I've seen similar designs when it comes to portable ashtrays, but this particular one does really well with removing all the excess material while still securely holding your cigar and the ash. It fits perfectly in your hand, and I don't know if this is intentional or not, but these round little cutouts here seem to fit perfectly up against a round tumbler glass. It's just a clean, simple, elegant design, and I think to me, it just looks really nice sitting on a table. Now, in addition, the company offers a full 12-month satisfaction guarantee, offering a full refund if for some reason you're not satisfied with the product. And with the holidays coming up soon, this ashtray from Cigar Therapy would make a great stocking stuffer for the cigar smoker in your life. I'll provide a link down below in case you want to check it out for yourself. Now, as always, if you found value in this video, make sure you let me and YouTube know by hitting that like button. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and do all the things that help this channel continue to grow. And remember, being a gentleman is an everyday thing. Now it's time to light this thing up.
We